Hello dear student, very good morning to all of you of class 10th. We are just going to start physics of class 10 of first chapter, that is force. Basically, there is three sections in this chapter. The first section is moment, that means torque or turning effect, and the second part of this chapter is equilibrium and motion. Definitely we will counter today the first part. That first part is a force. Means first of all we will understand what is force. Force is an external agent which cause some changes in the body. That is, it may be there is a change in shape and size of the body, definitely, and there is a change in state of motion or rest of the body. And the third change and the deal is that it also may or may not change the direction of a moving body. Means, what is a force? Force is an external agent. Force is an external agent. Simply I am writing this. I will send you whole PDF. Whatever the written things will be provided to you. So simply you have to understand the topic. What is force? Force is an external agent which causes change in shape and size. Second, change in state of motion or rest of the body. Okay, change in direction of the moving body. Simply, it means force is an external agent, definitely, which is causing some change in the body. That change may be shape or size. That change may be a state of motion or rest. That change may be direction of the moving body. Simply, I am showing an example with you that ladies, there is a stick and just bending it. It is bending somewhere, somehow. Means force. I am applying some force to bend it. Definitely its shape has been changed. It was straight and now it becomes curved. This is the effect of force which we are able to understand. Okay? Force is a vector quantity. Force कैसा quantity है? तो ये vector quantity है. It is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. It has both magnitude and direction. Means force has magnitude and direction. That's why it is called as it is a vector quantity. It is denoted by F. It is denoted by F. Such. Okay. SI unit of force is Newton, as basically main thing and the whole physics, almost whole physics developed is initially developed by a great physician, that is Newton. That's why to gratitude we given the SI unit of force as a Newton with the regard. Okay, SI unit of force is Newton. Okay, SI unit of force is Newton, which is denoted by capital N. Okay, you have a question within your mind: how the definition of force was derived? The definition of force was derived by the statement of Newton's first law of motion. A body in rest want to be in rest, a body in motion want to be in motion until unless an external force is applied on it. This statement grants the definition of the force. Later, magnitude of the force means formula of the force. What is the formula of the force? In that way, force is defined by applying on a body. For example, when I am applying some force on this duster, and the duster starts moving, means duster has some velocity. It is changing with some speeds, with some velocities, just changing with time. That causes a force applied on it. Means मैंने आपको ये बताया कि मैं इस पे फोर्स लगाया और ये चलने लगा मीन्स मोशन आ गया, इसके पास वेलोसिटी आ गया, और ये वेलोसिटी जो है ये चेंज हो रहा है टाइम के अनुसार. टाइम जैसे जैसे चेंज हो रहा है वैसे वैसे ये वेलोसिटी चेंज हो रहा है. तो with respect to time, the velocity is gradually changing. That grants how much force I am applied on it. Okay, means magnitude of force is given by Newton's second. Magnitude of force is given by Newton's second. The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force applied on the body. Means rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force applied on the body. This is a force applied on the body, that is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum, d, p upon d. Means p is a momentum, p momentum of the body. P is equal to mv, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body. M, mass of the body, v, velocity of the body. Okay. So, if we put T is equal to mv in this equation, F will become d mv upon d. It means m is a constant, so we will write it from outside. dv upon d. dv upon dt is acceleration of the body. It means force is equal to ma, mass into acceleration, is acceleration. acceleration of the body. So we have right here the formula of force F is equal to ma. Okay, so we'll continue to its unit. How will we find the unit of force? So here we know that now formula of force is equal to mass into acceleration, and we know that the formula of mass is measured in kg, what, and acceleration is unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Okay, so kg meter per second square, you may write it as also kg meter second inverse square. That is called as 1 Newton, or simply Newton. It means I am saying that 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter second inverse square. So you may also define what is 1 Newton. When 1 meter per second square, a body is moving with 1 meter per second. Yeah, simply a body is accelerating with 1 meter per second square of 1 kg mass, then the body is producing a force of 1 Newton. You may say this. By this equation, you may define 1 Newton. Okay? This 1 Newton is also called as kilogram force. This 1 Newton is also called as kilogram force. Kilogram force. That is 1 kilogram force. 1 kilogram force is 1 kilogram force is gram Newton. Means acceleration due to gravity. G is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Okay. So that's it. Next topic we will start in next part of this video.